Hello everybody and welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can link debit card on your Cash App. Now before moving forward in this video, I would like you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide so you guys can get notified for future videos of this kind. So why you want to link debit card on Cash App is if you want to add money on your Cash App, you have to link your debit card or your bank account. But if you link a debit card, you can transfer money from a debit card into your Cash App and send it to whoever you want in Cash App or buy Bitcoin or stock in Cash App. That's why you want to link debit card on your Cash App. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. So first step, open Cash App and then click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now I have not uploaded a profile picture, that's why it's showing this. So just click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna bring you over here, and over here where it says linked banks, you want to click on it. Alright, but don't worry, we're not gonna link a bank. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna show you link debit card. So you want to click on link debit card because we want to link debit card. Once you're over here, you need to enter your debit card 16-digit number over here, and after that at the bottom click on next. Once you click on next, it's gonna ask you your credit card's expiration date and its CVC number. After you enter that information, if all the information entered over here is correct, then your card will be linked on your Cash App, and you can transfer money from your debit to your Cash App to send it to anybody you want. So that's the basic gist of how you guys can link debit card on your Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.